Okay, here we have a 2010 335 and we're replacing the starter. As you can see, the starter is buried pretty deep in this engine. If you look down, the starter's all the way down there. You have to remove the intake manifold, disconnect the engine computer. It's quite a few things, a lot of wires, windshield cowl, well not the windshield cowl, but the air filter cover has to come off, all the covers, the tubes, hoses, intake, piping. So there's quite a bit of work to access this guy. And there he is. So we just replaced the starter and we are putting everything back together.